Hello, my bat kittens. I actually wanted to talk to you guys today about one of my favorite things in the entire world, kitty cats. There's a lot of cases where people don't know how to approach cats, or there's people out there who think that cats are just really mean, or they just don't like cats because every time they come up to them, the cats just run away. Again, this is just preference from me. I'm not a professional. I didn't study cats, although I wish I did. This is just me revolving around cats my whole life. I don't know if I speak for everyone, but I have picked up a few things just from observing them, or just reading signals from the cats. It's just paying a lot of attention to their body language and what body language matches with how they're feeling. This is the love of my life. When their tails are up in a question mark, that means that they want to embrace you. They shed a lot. Ow. Baby. Approach the cat slowly. Sometimes even when I notice that they're scared, I take a few steps, I stop, I look at how they're reacting. Sometimes they're afraid of you at first, but if you're showing them that you're not going to hurt them, then sometimes they'll let you pet them. Once you see that tail up in a question mark, or even just it's up and it's just waving a little bit, then the cat is totally fine with you. That is my cat fact number 1 for you guys. If you guys want to learn more about kitty cats, let me know down there in those boxes that keep following me. Do you guys want to say it with me? Good boy!
I steal only what I can afford. That's everything.